Truth doesn't have other side. Truth doesn't have perspective. Truth is absolute. But have you ever imagined the amount of media we consume on a daily basis and the amount of information we get from that media is not always the truth. It's just telling you a perspective which they want you to believe. And most of the time, when this happens, they serve the purpose of the majority and we don't listen to the voice of the oppressed. And that is why reading is so important. And reading the right kind of books that give you the perspective of the others. Today, I want to recommend you Lol Kashmir by Mehak Jamal. This is such an interesting book and it's very important if I consider the recent situation of India and the Kashmir issue. I think most of the time, people have this tendency to generalize a religion or a community without even giving a second thought because that's how media fuels your hate and anger. In this book, we are following the innocent civilians who are separated and who are yearning to know if their loved ones are okay or not because they can't reach out. And the stories are so heartbreaking. I had tears in my eyes when I was reading this book. And when you understand that these are not stories, these are the reality of these people who have gone through this awful situation, which are still going on, you feel helpless. This book speaks about humanity. This book speaks about the power of love, which can actually win over hatred. Lol in Kashmiri word means love. This book is an open love letter to Kashmir, and I completely agree with her. There are three parts in this book. We are following the stories of partition period from that generation, and then we come to the present time when the Article 370 has been abrogated and the COVID lockdown has struck, and how with no internet connection, with the lockdown, how these people survive. And there are times when they couldn't even know if their loved ones on the other part of the country is alive or not. I think everybody should read this book because it's written with so much love, care, and humanity. It will definitely change your perspective on the current situation, and you will see the different perspective which are often hidden from you. It's so beautiful, and I'm so grateful to find this book, and I'm just grateful to see that this book exists. Please read this one.